Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Trading Desk, where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade, bad trade, and how did they resolve. So today, as you can see, so yesterday my account was kind of locked out. I mean, not locked out in the sense that I couldn't trade, but locked out in the sense that it was Columbus Day, and since Friday's recap, since I'm trading in a cash account, the cash didn't settle in, so I really could not trade until today, which is Tuesday. And great day, $170 in the plus on one trade. Like I told you, I am taking these. I stopped taking these smaller size trades, and when I see a good setup, I'll just go all in on one trade, and we'll see how that goes. So today I sat down at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. and there was no news on any stock except CYN right here. And as you can see, it was a little choppy to trade. You can see these big dojis and rejections. And why did I opt out not to trade it, even though it was an A plus quality setup? So it had news. It's in the price range. It went up. The average volume is great. I mean, the relative volume is great. And not only that, it had a low float. And I didn't trade it because it was very hard to trade. So as you can see, look at these here, high volume red candles. And I didn't want to get involved into that. And as you can see, as it was curling back up, I was focused on another stock, which had the potential. The stock I traded was a B quality setup, B plus I would say, because it had no news and it just pops up. It's a Chinese stock, and really it was a great relative volume. Everybody was trading it, and I said, okay, if I see a great setup, I'll get in. If not, I won't. So I was watching it, and as you can see here, it goes up, kind of lashes out here. I'm okay, will it break through 350, or rejection, and then it starts going back down, right? And right here, I had my order to buy 500 shares at 280, 277 right here. And as it went here to this 9 EMA, I'm like, okay, waiting. It goes all the way down, and I get filled immediately. I'm like, okay, this is a great price. And as it goes down, people just start buying it up, and it forms. And what was the shooting star? It's a hammer candle, right? A hammer, and it hammered out the base, and I knew it was gonna go up. Great. It had great volume, less volume on the red candles, and I knew it was just gonna work, especially when this guy got bought up. Like this, this might be actually a good place to buy for another continuation, but 4 red candles in a row, price tag of that. So I got in with 500 shares, and it goes up. I take a little bit of profit, half of it at 296, then goes on up 100, 150 at 330. I take off the profit, $160 on this candle. I actually knew that this was gonna happen on this pullback, but just to be sure, because it was a big quality setup, and I was in with a lot of shares, and I just didn't want to, didn't want to let my profit go for no reason. And as it starts going back up, I get in at 350 here, goes up. I sell at 36. I actually get in 346. I sell at 356, pressed it at 360, but 356 got 10 cents. And why didn't it hold? Because after I saw this candle, I knew that it was just gonna kind of stall out and go back. Here, let's see. This is probably a good place to buy already, like I said. But the MACD is closed here. I don't know. I would have stayed out of this trade regardless. So $170 in that move right there, and yeah, great trades. I mean, I bought the dip and I bought the breakthrough 350. Wasn't a really big of a big trade right there, but still $10. And that's the recap for today. I mean, the only thing is I don't want to trade these stocks. Like, this was the only thing that was moving, and I only got into it was because I saw this very nice pullback pattern, and everything looked good. The relative volume was good. People were trading it. There was already a lot of volume in it, and I knew these Chinese stocks work on the first pullback, and they do that because there's probably some insider trading in China happening, but we'll never know for sure. Regardless, it did work, and I capitalized on it. As you can see, when CYN is actually popped up right now, as I can see. But look at this. This was choppy. You cannot trade this. Yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.